How old is the Quran? I don't exactly know. How
The Quran is approximately 1400 years old.
Okay, and how long have human beings existed in this planet?
Human beings in millions of years.
Millions of years. I'm not challenging you. Don't get this wrong.
I like people challenging me.
What is
I
the
like
reason?
people challenging me.
Yeah. Okay, if you want to challenge, then I'll take that step then. Okay, what is the reason that, first of all, I believe Christianity is older than Islam.
No, you're wrong. You're wrong. Christianity is not older than Islam.
What's the difference?
Islam is there since time immemorial, since man set foot on the earth.
Okay.
From the first human being, it's already there. Prophet Muhammad is the last and final messenger. He came 1400 years ago. He was the last messenger. Quran is the last revelation, not the first revelation. This is the last testament. Otherwise, Islam is there since time immemorial. Isa alayhi salam, Jesus Christ, was a Muslim according to the Quran. Abraham was a Muslim according to the Quran. Peace be upon them all. So Islam means peace acquired by submitting our will to Almighty God. It is there since time immemorial.